How to enable or disable touch sounds on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, okay, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this. Here in sounds and vibration, okay, scroll down and below of this you can see the advanced option. Okay, you can tap the advanced option. In advanced option, okay, you can see the touch sounds. And the touch sounds is disable or turn off. So if you want to enable this, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the touch sounds on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. So if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. And I decide to enable the touch sound of my Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.